Epic Games Store is allowing NFTs on their store. Minecraft is not allowing NFTs in their game right now. And also, is Axie Infinity dying? Welcome, beautiful people around the world. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Yukin. I hope you're loving yourself as much as I love you all. I really hope so. I hope you're all having a fantastic day because we're going to be talking about some blockchain NFT crypto games like we always do in the channel. Now, yesterday I didn't make a video and I apologize for that, but I'm going to have a live stream available on Friday. It's gonna be early morning, probably around 9 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you guys are interested in checking it out, please subscribe to the channel. Also, I'll be live on Twitch as well, both at the same time, twitch.tv/RealYukin. But we're here for the crypto news. The crypto news I love because the space is still growing, and obviously there's not a lot of people talking about the space. Obviously, maybe for a top 5 of NFTs can make you the most money right now and everything like that, which you can make some money off it, obviously. But I'm going to be talking about some of the news articles that is out right now. Obviously, I can't wait for these games to come out. Not the games that we're going to be talking about today, but some of the projects that I'm super excited about even trying or even testing. I'm very excited when they do come out. Obviously, I'm going to have some gameplay videos, so make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the videos so then more developers can check my videos out. So Epic Games is going to be allowing NFTs on their store. What do you guys think about this? Personal for me, I don't really care. I'm gonna be honest, I'm just kidding. But I'm excited about it, honestly, because it just allows another way of monetizing the cosmetics or anything that allows you to be able to utilize, whether if it's a play to earn model or a free-to-play, which you can make money out of the game as well. Now, I know the play-to-earn model isn't the best, and I totally understand that. Some people just have not made it a good model, but people are working on, there's some good companies out there are going to be working on these models, and that these games functionality works well with the players, so hopefully we can profit more so that we don't have to fork in a lot of money to play these games, which definitely hurts my bank account. Epic Games founder Tim Sweeney reiterates his stance that stores should not prohibit NFT games, saying that developers should be free to decide how to build their games and you are free to decide whether to play them. I believe stores and operating system makers shouldn't interfere by forcing their views onto others. We definitely don't. We are neither using NFT in our products nor forcing developers to use our technology or services to abandon NFTs. And customers are free to make their own decisions about what products to use and now. As I can see, it's a win-win situation for both sides, right? You get the developers that want to make NFT projects and be able to put it on Epic Game Stores, and then you also have the other people that are wanting just to make a game, and still stick with the Web 2 design. I totally understand that. I like the games on Web 2, and I will also support the games on Web 3, so both spaces I'm going to be venturing on. Let me know in the comments below. Are you going to be with the projects with the NFTs, or are you going to be at the project without the NFTs, or are you going to be with both? For me, like I said, I'm with both. Some interesting quotes that I want to show you because Sweeney does talk about some of the things that how it should be monetized, but also note Epic has also received a lot of investments for their metaverse stuff. If the best outfits in the metaverse styled games cost $1 million, that's telling customers that they'll never have a good experience as a millionaire will have. Whereas in Fortnite and Minecraft, nothing is priced out of anyone's reach. In a future open metaverse, developers will try all different approaches from the egalitarian to the arc capitalist, and we'll see what sticks. I expect many people will prefer parts of the metaverse that don't just mirror the societal problems of the real world. Now, with the other issue, Minecraft is not going to be having NFTs in their game, and I totally understand why they wouldn't. They don't need to. They're a big company already. The game is beloved by many kids and adults, so the game doesn't really need to have NFTs, but if it wants to, it can implement that. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think if Minecraft should have NFTs. Now let's talk about Axie Infinity. One of the games that was supposed to be the pinnacle of blockchain gaming has been decreasing in value. Me personally, I have 3 Axies that I paid for $6, but I know that these Axies were worth a lot more money. I believe the prices were probably near $300 or even more when the game came out, but I never got into it. I didn't have the money to go play it, but I know that some people put a lot of money into the game. It's an exciting game still, even if it's not going to be profitable as it once was. As Axie declines, other blockchain games emerge as leaders in the GameFi economy. A billion-dollar crypto gaming startup promised riches and delivered disaster. Axie Infinity's vision of a play-to-earn video game has crumbled, and the company behind it now tells the players who bought into the hype, it was never about the money anyway. Again, I want to emphasize this is the reason why you have to do the research into these projects if you're going to be investing to do the play to earn. A game did cost a lot of money just to buy 3 different axes. In order to play the game, you had to have 3 axes, so it did cost a lot of money to get the axes. You never know with the market, right? And I'm not saying that Axie will be back to where it was the heights of Axie, where people were making thousands and thousands of dollars. The lowest one was at 21,000, the next one was 22,000, and the highest one in the last 30 days was selling for $51,000. Me, and for anyone out there, that's a lot of money just for even a play to earn game, for a game that someone probably put a lot of time into the game to actually be able to make worthwhile on those axes. It also just shows that people out there are still willing to pay a lot of money for an axie. So let me know in the comments below, are you guys gonna be playing Axie Infinity? Because that's one of the games that I am personally gonna be playing. I know for the live stream on Friday at 9 p.m. or 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, not 9 p.m. That's late. But 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I will be live streaming on both YouTube and Twitch. We're going to be playing some blockchain games. One of the games will be Axie Infinity, Elemental Raiders, Sandbox, or any other game out there. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would like for me to play so that I can get these games up ready to go so we can have a really good, entertaining Friday. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope we can stay united as one, rise up to every challenge, be ourselves, and follow our dreams, because I know you can do it. I love you all.
I hope you can stay united as one, rise up to every challenge, and be ourselves. I hope we can all follow our dreams, because I know you can do it.